Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to set default font size in your Motorola phone. Guys, you want to set your default font style or size, so guys you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set default font size in your Motorola phone device. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel, so guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting, then guys click on your display setting and guys click on this advanced and guys scroll, so you can see your font size. So guys tap here, so you can see guys there are four sizes like small. So friends, you can see your size. So guys you can see small, default and guys large size. So as I told guys, default size you want to set, so guys click on default and guys come back, so you can see your font size, default font size. So I hope friends you have understood how to set default font size in your Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.